Hello and welcome to Priyanshu's post-match analysis of England versus Pakistan at Trent Bridge. I called it in my pre-match analysis that England will win this game and seal the deal. England batting first. I expected them to score more than 300 runs. Well, they went more than 140 runs past that. 444 is what their eventual total was. A new world record in ODI for a team. Sri Lanka sits number 2 now. Plenty more records were broken today. Let's talk about Alex Hales. And I did say Alex Hales, he's a good batsman, but he had a lean series until now. He had to come good today, and oh boy, what innings that was. He scored 171 runs at a strike rate of 140. Now he owns the highest individual record of runs scored by an English batsman, going past Robin Smith, a 30-year-old record. He was really well supported by Joe Root, who scored 80-odd runs at a strike rate close to 100. Both these batsmen got out in quick succession. That brought only more misery for the Pakistani bowlers. Eoin Morgan, who had a good 50 in the last game, he was coming off of a lean patch, but that game must have given him some confidence. And today, he went after the bowling once he was dropped by Yasir Shah of Wahab Riaz. He scored his own quick 50. Josh Butler, plenty of sixes, straight sixes, some lap shots. He's famous for those shots. He scored 90 runs and missed the 100 in the last over. He had 3 balls to score 14 runs. Hassan Ali bowled really well in that particular over. Mohammad Amir, he was not expensive given how many runs were scored today. Neither was Hassan Ali. Mohammad Nawaz, he gave away less than 7 runs per over, which is an achievement in itself. And you don't say that in an ODI game of 50 overs. Wahab Riaz. Now let's talk about this guy. Wahab Riaz is what I talked about him in my pre-match. He has raw pace. He moves the ball around sometimes, but he does it once in 20 games. He's not consistent. I think he's the Sean Tate of Pakistan. One innings and then you'll see him bowling all around the wicket. He loses his radar so fast. He gets too angry and he loses the direction. He still has the pace, but no movement. This is a flat deck. Nothing is going to happen for him. He bowled so badly that he almost broke the world record for the highest runs given in an ODI. He gave away 110 runs today in his 10 overs and missed Mick Lewis's record, the Australian unlucky bowler, by 3 or 4 runs. Overall, Pakistan, they were annihilated today. Once England put 444 runs on board, there was no coming back for Pakistan. Pakistani batting, well, it followed the same direction it always does. They lose one opener early. Shazeel Khan, he got a quick 50 today. Sarfaraz Ahmed, he played a decent knock. Shoaib Malik failed today. Azhar Ali, well, he's not a batsman who would be chasing a score of more than 400 runs for you. He's a decent bat, but he's not a match winner in one-day cricket when more than 300 runs are scored. Mohammad Amir, well, he was a revelation with the bat today. He got his own 50 today. He must be really teasing Wahab Riaz in the back room, saying, see, I bowled better than you, which I know I always do, but today I scored my own 50. A really bad day for Pakistan cricket. They'll have to do a lot of rethinking. If it were up to me, I would make Sarfaraz Ahmed the captain for the Pakistan ODI team. He's one guy who has the brains for ODI cricket. He has the temperament for ODI cricket. Overall, I think the best performer for Pakistan today was Mohammad Nawaz. He gave away less than 7 runs. He scored 30-odd runs. I think he has a bright future in this Pakistan team because most of these players are average players. This is the worst Pakistan team I've seen in decades, and I'm not sure if they'll be able to even win one game on this particular tour. Are they going to play for pride? Well, the question is, do they have any pride left after this game? We'll see that in the 4th game. I hope Pakistan puts up some fight after this game. England, phenomenal job by the English cricket team. Great show by Alex Hales, Josh Butler, Eoin Morgan, Joe Root. Hats off to you guys. Pakistani team, well, I see a big overhaul once you go back to Pakistan. There'll be plenty of changes, as it always happens with the Pakistani cricket team when they underperform. But this was catastrophe. This was annihilation. Have fun. Have a great night. Bye-bye.